In this video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide on how to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp now in 2024. So if this is something that you want to be able to fix, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what you're going to do firstly is to actually just close your WhatsApp app. We need to firstly close our app, and then what you're going to do is to firstly click on your settings app instead. So go into your settings app, and now you should be taken to a page similar to this, as you can see. And then what you're going to do, you're just going to scroll down in here, and then you're going to locate where it says general and click on general in here. And then you're going to click on iPhone storage or something similar. It might not say iPhone storage, it might just say storage for you basically. And then you're going to wait a couple of seconds for this page right here to load. It might take a couple of seconds, as you can see, depending on how much of your memory that you're currently using on your phone. So now we're just going to scroll down in here, keep scrolling down until you can see where it says WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp in here, then click on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App in here. As you can see, it might take a couple of seconds, and then you're going to click on the blue button here again. What will happen basically now is that you will auto update your WhatsApp. So it will actually auto update to the latest version. And right now you're not able to have Meta AI because you don't have the latest version basically. So this is a quick fix for this problem. So just update. As you can see now, it says Offload App once again for me, which means that I now have the latest version of WhatsApp. So you will always get the latest version after you're done exactly this. So up to date, now when your WhatsApp is up to date, go back to your WhatsApp, and then hopefully this issue will now be solved for you.